Here's my new phone, Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. As you can see the S Pen color on the box, I've got the Mystic Bronze and it has the 256 gigabytes capacity storage, which I'm really excited to see. So right away, let's do a quick check what's inside the box. look of the 6.9-inch AMOLED screen display. You can see the top of the screen where the punch hole for the camera, the front-facing camera. So here's the closer look, and it has the Mystic Bronze matte finish. And it's really good on having this because it doesn't attract the, your fingerprints, like on the screen. Yep. And here's the 12 megapixel ultra wide angle and the 108 megapixel wide angle, the 12 megapixel telephoto camera, and the flash. And here's the laser autofocus sensor. So down the bottom, here's the position of the S Pen. We're supposed to be at the right side, like the Note 10 Plus, like my husband's phone. And here on the second is a stereo speaker, the USB slot charger, charger port, whatever, and the microphone. Now moving along, at the right side is where the button area and the volume. Then at the top is a microphone, and the SIM card slot, and where the micro SD card, the expandable memory storage. And on the left side of the phone is absolutely nothing. And here's the closer look at the back bottom part, where you see the camera and the sound.